Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, a defense from the Finance Minister this evening amid concerns about how the government will address the recently announced revenue shortfall.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark insists there are other options besides increased taxation.
The situation has attracted the attention of some of the country's financial and economic experts.
Dwayne Anderson reports.
We don't want to have a knee-jerk reaction.
No need to panic. The position of Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark as he attempts to reassure Jamaicans amid news of a revenue shortfall. Already, questions are being asked if the state may have to cut back spending on certain plans or tell Jamaicans to pay more to make up the shortfall. But Dr. Clark says no.
If we do have to make adjustments, we have flexibility. Adjustments including a downward revision of revenue. We have flexibility in that there are untapped sources of revenue that don't place additional burdens on taxpayers that exist. And there are possibilities to adjust expenditure without affecting priority programs.
The problem area is corporate income tax. That tax type saw very little growth in the last 12 months. The other major tax types in the financial period ending March 2024 overperformed the figures from the previous year.
I'll give you just two examples. PAYE was up 25% against the previous year. GCT was up 21% against the previous year, but corporate income tax was essentially flat. It was up 0.8% against the previous year. So if there's anything that gives me pause for the projections in the current fiscal year, it would be the outcome for corporate income tax.
But can the situation with the corporate income tax revenue stream be remedied?
TVJ reported that a number of entities would have declared a liability but did not pay in time, and a larger proportion than before. We have to see what that results in the months of April, May, and possibly June before making any definitive moves or commitments.
The minister explained this is the second time in the last 8 years where this sort of revenue underperformance has been recorded. He was speaking with stakeholders Thursday evening at a forum hosted by the Caribbean Policy Research Institute, CAPRI, looking at the most recent budget. Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
Assurances.